Today we're going to install the Elevate Kayak Carrier. These can be installed onto most popular load bars with either a clamp around installation or a T-slot installation. For this video we'll be using the Elevate base rack, and we'll show you the clamp around installation as well as the T-slot installation. The tools we'll be using are a ratchet with a 10mm deep well socket, a 4mm Allen bit, and an 1/8" Allen wrench. Let's get started. If you're installing with the clamp around method, snap the rubber pads into the metal brackets. These brackets are not necessary for the T-slot installation. Swing the J-bar open and lock it in place with the adjustment knobs. For the clamp around installation, insert the longer 80mm button head bolts from the top of the base and place it onto the load bar. The open J-bar will face to the outside of the vehicle. Line up your two metal brackets with rubber pads to the long button head bolts from under the load bar. Make sure the carrier stays centered and the metal brackets remain flat to the bottom of the load bar while you evenly tighten the button head bolts with a 4mm Allen wrench or Allen bit. Repeat the same steps for the other carrier. For the T-slot installation, insert the 4 shorter button head bolts from the top and through the tubes. Attach nylock nuts to the other end of those bolts. Make sure the nylock nuts slide into the hex-shaped holes as you tighten them with a 4mm Allen wrench or Allen bit. Remove the load bar end caps with an 1/8" Allen wrench and slide 2 T-bolts into the T-slot. Remove the load bar end caps with a 1/8" Allen wrench and slide 2 T-bolts into the T-slot. Place the kayak carrier onto the load bar with the open J-bar facing the outside of the vehicle. Line up the T-bolts to the holes in the carrier and secure it with a washer and nylock nut for each T-bolt using a 10mm socket. Reinstall the load bar end cap with a 1/8" Allen wrench and repeat for the other carrier. Well, it's just that simple, and that concludes the installation.